We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE. This one is in cobalt blue. This thing is super fun, and it's got the spoked rims. Really nice for trail riding. Has Brembo brakes, ABS front and rear, some other cool little add-ons from Triumph. Easy to adjust Öhlins rear suspension, both sides. There's the ABS on the rear. Chain driven. And a really cool exhaust I've never heard of before, but it sounds amazing. This does run on a fob, which we have right here. So press the power button to start it. LED comes on. Put this in the run position. And you do have to squeeze the clutch in to start it, so give me just a second. Nice pad, makes it a little safer for trail riding, just in case you hit it. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check it out.